If you like this edition and you want to know more about the topic and understand it in detail, head on to pallavisehgal.com to see the full video on the topic. Today, we are exploring the distribution strategies that separate beauty winners from the brands that never make it past the first hero product. In our last video, we decoded how beauty became luxury's most dynamic sector. But having a breakthrough hero product is only the beginning. The real challenge? Getting the product into the hands of the customers who will love it, buy it repeatedly, and evangelize it to other customers. Today, we'll examine three distribution phenomena: Sephora's evolution into a beauty brand accelerator, K-Beauty's cultural expansion that bypassed traditional retail barriers, and the private label revolution that's redefining who can succeed in beauty. Let's start with Sephora, the ecosystem amplifier. Sephora has evolved to become the most powerful distribution partner in the beauty business. Let's start with Engine 1, its customer base. It has millions of beauty enthusiasts who seek new products and brands and not just shop for familiar names. Secondly, that is the Engine 2, the data intelligence. Customer behavior insights, trends forecasting, and performance analytics that most brands can never afford independently. Herein, we'd like to discuss with you two case studies, Glossier and Charlotte Tilbury. When we're talking about Glossier's partnership with Sephora demonstrates this perfectly. After struggling with D2C limitations, they launched in 600 plus Sephora stores. The result wasn't just increased sales, it was brand revitalization through access to customers who prefer physical product interaction for color, texture, and scent evaluation. Secondly, the Charlotte Tilbury's global launch. When Charlotte Tilbury entered Sephora in 2018, they launched with strategic exclusives like early access to the Bar of Gold palette. This created urgency while positioning the brand as Sephora curated quality. Now let's move on to the K-Beauty's cultural heart test. Let's examine the radically different approach to this. K-Beauty's cultural expansion strategy. K-Beauty didn't just export products, they exported an entire beauty philosophy intertwined with the Korean culture. The cultural crossover approach created demand before the distribution infrastructure even existed. Next, let's discuss the platform strategy that they used, the TikTok revolution. K-Beauty brands showcased innovative textures, application techniques, and multi-step routines through visual storytelling that traditional advertising could never achieve. And all this led to the retail transformation. Initially, the US retailers were hesitant. K-Beauty seemed too niche, too complex, too different. But as social media proved massive consumer demand, retailers pivoted from resistance to aggressive incorporation. The evolution from cautious testing to dedicated K-Beauty sections to full integration across the beauty retail. Let's try and understand as to what's driving the private label's success. Value consciousness. Economic uncertainty has made consumers more value-oriented, but they refuse to compromise with quality. Ingredient empowerment. Modern consumers understand ingredients and formulations, making them less dependent on brand heritage for quality assurance. And now comes the exciting part, the distribution strategy playbooks. Analyzing successful beauty brands revealed 4 distinct distribution playbooks. Playbook 1. The sequential scaling model. Start D2C to build brand identity and customer relationships, then expand strategically to the retail partners. The critical success factors out here are channel and brand alignment. Your distribution choices should communicate your brand positioning. The customer journey optimization. Each touch point should enhance rather than dilute the brand experience. The data-driven decisions. Use distribution partnerships to gather intelligence and not just drive sales. We hope that you've enjoyed the preview edition of this topic. If you like this edition and you want to know more about the topic and understand it in detail, head on to pallavisehgal.com to see the full video on the topic.